Hello, it's Lindsay here from Barnstable Fine & Country, here today to introduce you to a fantastic new listing that we have, which is Glebe Cottage. Glebe Cottage is a fabulous detached character property. Also has a one-bedroom self-contained annex, which is ideal for a dependent relative or for an income stream. Main house itself, as I said, 5 bedrooms, ensuite, dressing room, family bathroom, and downstairs, say 2 good-sized reception rooms and a lovely kitchen dining room. We have also to the outside, driveway going to the rear with ample outbuildings, a menage, and in total the property and the land is 1.5 acres. This is a fantastic property in a really sought-after village, and I'm sure you'd love to come and have a little look around today. This charming cottage offers a wealth of character throughout, with extremely versatile and adaptable accommodation. The main house offers 2 reception rooms, both with ingle-nook fireplaces with wood burners. And there is a lovely farmhouse-style kitchen dining room with an ever-hot stove and a further dual-fuel range cooker, and plenty of space for a central dining table. On the first floor, there are 5 bedrooms. The main master bedroom is accessed via its own dressing room, leading into the bedroom, which is extremely spacious and has the benefit of patio doors leading out onto the roof terrace, which enjoys super views over the garden and surrounding countryside. In addition to the master bedroom, there is an ensuite shower room. Finally, on the first floor is the family bathroom with 4-piece suite, including a roll-top bath and separate shower. One distinct advantage of this property that it has its own self-contained annex, and this comprises a lovely modern kitchen, characterful living room with lovely views, and a double bedroom and separate shower room. If required, the annex could be opened up into the main house, but it is of course ideal for a dependent relative, or alternatively could be let separately to provide an excellent income stream. However, the annex offers lots of options for new owners to consider. Outside is where the property comes into its own, and it's certainly a rarity to find a property with a paddock of approximately 1 acre with outbuildings in such a convenient location in the heart of the village. There are 2 stables, a tack room and an enclosed menage, and beyond is a large timber storage barn, ideal for agricultural equipment or could be used as an open field shelter for any livestock. There is also a large detached double garage with power and light connected. The rear garden to the property offers various patio areas ideal for outdoor dining and gatherings, and offers an excellent degree of privacy. So I'm sure you will have loved looking around this property with us today. And if you'd like to enjoy village life in this fantastic village, in this characterful home, please give us a call on the number below. We'd love to hear from you and get you in to see this fantastic home.